Hey everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I'll show you how to move photos from your Android phone to an SD card. This is a great way to free up space on your device while keeping your photos safe. First, make sure you have a compatible SD card inserted into your phone. Locate the SD card slot, usually found in the SIM card tray or on the side of your device, and insert the card. Once it's in place, your phone should recognize it. Next, open your phone's app menu. Depending on your device or Android version, you may need to swipe up from the home screen or tap on an apps icon. Once inside, look for your File Manager app. This could be named My Files, Files, or File Explorer depending on your phone's brand. If you don't have a File Manager installed, you can download one from the Google Play Store. Now, navigate to the folder where your photos are stored. Typically, your images will be in the DCIM Gallery or Captures folder. Once inside, long press on a photo to start selecting, and then mark all the photos you want to move. After selecting the photos, look at the bottom menu bar and tap on Move or Copy. Moving the photos will transfer them completely, while copying will create duplicates on your SD card. Choose the option that best suits your needs. Now, it's time to select the destination folder. Tap on the SD card from the available storage options. You can either choose an existing folder or create a new one on the spot. Once you're in the right folder, tap on Paste to start the transfer. Wait for the transfer to complete, and that's it! Your photos have been successfully moved to your SD card. You can now view them directly from the card using your File Manager or Gallery app. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more Android tips and tricks. Let me know in the comments if you have any questions or need further assistance. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.